Assalamu alaikum dear friends, how are you? I hope that you all would be fine. My name is Arsan Jamal and you are watching my channel Tricks and Tips. Today in this video I am going to show you an amazing trick of Microsoft Excel, how to highlight duplicate values. Sometimes you have a lot of data and you want to know whether is there any duplicate entry entered or whether any duplicate record is available within the data. So how to do this, I will tell you in this video. Before doing this, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel if you have not already done that, and also share my videos to your friends if you like it, and help us in increasing the view of our channel and spread our word so that we can together grow and learn. So without wasting your time, I'm going to start this. You just have to select this data and then go to conditional formatting, then go to highlight cells rules, then click on duplicate values, then click on OK, that text. Oh no, I want this to be filled. Okay, I have applied this and click on OK. You can see over here that the duplicate values are now highlighted. So if I change them, you can see it. So these are the duplicate cells will be highlighted. So if you like this video, then please comment that you want these types of videos more. Thank you.